My name is Adeniji Lukman Temitokwe. I am a goat farmer.
Orúkọ mi ni Mrs. Fumilayo Ajadi Eniola. Àgbẹ̀ ni mí nípa iṣẹ́ ẹlẹ́dẹ̀.
On our farm, we feed them dry matter early in the morning, like around 7 to 8 o'clock in the morning. When I say dry matter, I'm talking about the waste gotten from the beans. We call it beans chaff. We feed them with millets husk. We also feed them with the corn bran and soya meal.
For me, èmi ń ṣoúnjẹ mi fúnra mi ni. I just need to go to local market and gather all nǹkan tí mo need. But the major things tó wà very, very important is 6. That is carbohydrate, we have protein, we have fiber, vitamin, mineral, we have oil. That is very, very compulsory. Very, very compulsory. The food formulation wọ́n ní láti wà properly arranged. Not like pé mo rí anything láti fún wọn. Tẹ́ bá rí anything láti fún wọn, they will not give you the good results at the end of the day. Instead of, okay, in the next 6 months, kàn ti fún yín ní 85 kg. Tẹ́ bá ti lè meet up from the beginning, just like primary school. Tó máa fi lè dé primary 3 is 0 ni, èyàn lè meet up mọ́.
So we also ensure that we have adequate supply of water. This water is very clean enough for drinking. So we ensure that we give or supply the animals with water often. And we ensure we supply them water in the morning as well as in the evening. So fresh water is being supplied to the animal. We do not give them contaminated water.
Water is the major thing, as in the power, is the key. That's the one thing that can sustain, even though, let's assume that when you ride wasoko sometimes and they have water, they can sustain that water for like 4 days without food.
So we ensure every morning, we clean the feeders to clean up all the leftovers, because we are not expected to add new feed to the leftover. Because once the goats get closer to the feed, they tend to stay away from such food because they are highly sensitive to smell that they get from the feed. So cleaning is done every morning. So, and also the waste and their feces on the ground, we ensure we clean every morning.
2 times in a day, we clean in the morning. Anything around 8 o'clock to 10, we clean. And the second section is 3, anything 3 o'clock to 4, that's the second cleaning. 2 times in a day, we wash in the morning. We wash everywhere in the morning with soap and anything we lay on 2 times in a day. But we wash in the morning, and second, we just packed all those remnants and the shit after 3 to 4.
Right here is a nursing goat. So we've commenced the routine treatment on her right from the point of kidding, and currently 24 hours after kidding, we administered oral dewormer to the goats, and 8 hours after that we started with the multivitamin as well as the antibiotics. So we try to ensure that we free the syringe from air bubbles. So the subcutaneous injection is done underneath the skin. So we ensure that we lift the goat skin up before we insert the syringe into it. So this is done at angle 45 degree. So ensure this is done at angle 45 degree. So underneath the goat skin. So deep injection, deep down the skin, and we release the ivermectin. Then we ensure that we rub the surface properly.
Hi guys, that is my normal logo for them. I have the big one that I speak to them, they hear me, they'll play with me,